If your Steam game is not opening on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two quick fixes that solve the problem for a lot of players. We're going to verify the game files and clear the Steam download cache, which can fix missing files, corrupted data, and launch issues without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows and gaming fixes. Let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that won't open, then right-click it and choose Properties. This takes you to the game settings, where you can troubleshoot the installation directly. In the Properties window, click the Installed Files tab. Here, you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button and let Steam begin the scan. Steam will now check every file for that game and compare it to the original version on its servers. If it finds anything broken, missing, or changed, it will automatically download the correct files and replace them. This step is one of the best ways to fix a game that keeps failing to launch, crashing instantly, or getting stuck before opening. Depending on the size of the game, the scan may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. Once it's done, try launching the game again. If it still doesn't open, don't worry, we have another fix. Now click Steam in the top left corner of the app, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Downloads tab. This section controls download-related data and cache files that Steam stores on your system. Look for the Clear Cache button and click it. Steam will ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will restart automatically. Keep in mind that after the restart, you'll need to log back into Steam. This is completely normal. Clearing the cache can fix issues caused by outdated or corrupted stored data that may be interfering with game launches, updates, or Steam's ability to load your library correctly. After Steam opens again, go back to your library and try starting the game one more time. In many cases, these two steps are enough to get everything working again on Windows 11. So to recap, first, verify the integrity of the game files and then clear the Steam download cache if the issue continues. These are two of the safest and most effective fixes you can try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you get your game working again, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want more Steam or Windows 11 fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.